90% of people make these pronunciation mistakes and don't even realize it. And many of you said my pronunciation is very clear. So today I'll show you exactly how to fix yours step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Swati. Now here's what most people don't realize. We learn English by reading, by memorizing, but not by actually listening and speaking correctly. So, what happens is you say the right word but pronounce it slightly wrong, and that's exactly where fluency breaks. But once you notice these mistakes, you can fix them much faster than you think. Mistake number one: V and W confusion. This is one of the most common mistakes. Many people say weekend instead of weekend, or very good instead of very good. It sounds small, but it makes your English less natural. Here's how to fix it. For V, your upper teeth touch your lower lip, like this. V. Very. And for W, your lips form a small round shape, like this. No teeth. Weekend. Weekend. Now try this with me. Very, 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 very. Feel the difference? It may feel strange at first, but that's a good sign. You're correcting it. Now let's talk about something that confuses almost everyone. Silent letters. Words like no, det, listen. Many people pronounce every letter. But in English, some letters are silent. So it's not K now. It's no. It's not listen. It's listen. It's not debt. It's debt. And here's the key point. You can't always guess this from spelling. So the best way to improve is simple. Listen carefully and repeat. That's how your pronunciation improves naturally. Now here's something very interesting. Many people add extra sounds without realizing it. For example, school becomes school. Film becomes film. This happens because your brain is trying to make the word easier. But in English, words are often shorter and sharper. So instead of adding sounds, focus on saying the word cleanly. Say it slowly. School. School. Not school. Film. Film. Not film. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but with practice it becomes natural. Now let's fix a very important sound. Words like think, this, that. Many people say think or dis, but the correct sound is different. Here's how to fix it. Place your tongue slightly between your teeth, like this, and gently push air out. Now here's a simple trick. Use your palm and feel the air. You should feel the air on your palm. Think, think, this, that. Yes, it feels awkward, but that's exactly how it should feel in the beginning. And once you get this right, your pronunciation instantly sounds more fluent. Now here's a subtle mistake, but very powerful. Even if your pronunciation is correct, you can still unnatural. Take this word. It's not comfortable. It's comfortable. Comfortable. See the difference? In natural English, we don't pronounce every syllable clearly. We reduce some parts and stress others. So instead of breaking the word, blend it smoothly. Comfortable. Comfortable. Start listening for this pattern because this is what your English makes sounds natural. And finally, many people don't complete the last sound of words. For example, best instead of best, cold instead of cold. This makes your speech unclear. So slow down slightly and finish the word properly. Like best, cold, helped. Clear endings makes your speech sound confident. Now you might be wondering, how do I improve daily? Here's a simple routine. Pick one sentence. Listen carefully. Repeat it 5 times. Record yourself and compare. Just 10 minutes a day and you'll start seeing real improvement. If this video helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to English with Swati. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling.